Here is my recipe for peanut and oat energy balls. Yes, another one part of my little energy collection. I shall be building them up over time. More is coming, but I hope this gives you a flavour, and I hope this gives you a taste of you can make your own energy balls at home without them costing the earth. So without further ado, let's get making those peanut and oat energy balls.
In a food processor, place 100 grams of oats, along with 35 grams of peanut butter and 55 grams of dried fruit, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. Then you're going to give it a real good blitz. Partway through, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and then blitz again. You will gradually see that the mixture comes together almost into a ball. Then take golf-sized lumps of the mixture and roll into a ball. You could make them smaller if you wanted. Then dust with a further tablespoon of cocoa powder, turning over on the other side too. Place into a container and then into the fridge. They will keep there happily for around about 2 weeks. The full recipe that you can print out and get more great ideas from is on the website, and you can watch the video again. There is also the nutritional fact sheets too. All you have to do is go to my website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.